20 minutes or so up to the main river, open the sluice there, open another sluice on this leak until the water comes down. And that's when we could use 100 gallons a second. But we don't do that for this sort of trip. We probably run it for half an hour or so without really, especially in this weather, there's a lot coming in from the side streams without really having any effect on the leak. But you see it just drop, it'll drop 6 inches or so in the 10 minutes we run it. Rid of all our water. So, you know, it takes you an hour to probably go up and clear that. So it's quite a challenge to use it underwater power. In a moment over there you can see the pulley or the and the bit of the ring gear from what we think was the water wheel, at least one of the iterations of the water wheel line that we found in the bottom of the shaft here when the restoration work was done. So that's the power source. It's very, very simple. Turbine at that end, single shaft, engine, you can hear thundering away in the background.
You'll have to stop because he's got to stop his work. They used to cut bunch of timber and all stickers right out, so everything was straight up. That was the one.